If your dream is to create a semi-custom, luxurious, new construction home while still being in a Wellen Park community, then stay tuned to learn all about Gran Place at Wellen Park by Sam Rodgers. We're Josh and Liz from That Florida Life, helping you live that Florida lifestyle you've been dreaming about. As experts in the Wellen Park area, we have some of the best information you'll find to help answer your questions about all the different neighborhoods. And Josh is a licensed real estate agent who has helped clients from all across the country find homes in every Wellen Park community. So don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have any questions or just want to talk more about what you're looking for in your dream Florida home. Gran Place is a new construction community in the very heart of Wellen Park, a popular new master plan development along the west coast of Florida, south of Sarasota, between the towns of Venice and Northport. Residents here enjoy shopping, dining, and entertainment at the newly opened downtown Wellen Park. Plus, you're only about 20 minutes from downtown Venice and some of the most beautiful beaches on the Gulf of Mexico. This part of Florida is known for combining a luxurious and sophisticated lifestyle with a relaxed beach vibe. After all, it is like living in paradise. Explore the natural scenery of the area, admire the wildlife, go kayaking, boating, or fishing, check out a Braves spring training baseball game, or play golf at one of the many championship golf courses in the area. Those who enjoy the culture and arts scene will love being so close to Sarasota, which is a cultural hub in Florida. Here, you'll find many museums, theaters, the opera, ballet, symphonies, and more. Gran Place at Wellen Park is a Sam Rodgers community, one of the top luxury home builders in the country. Sam Rodgers offers new construction homes that can be customized, which provides you the opportunity to create your dream space that suits your lifestyle. This is an exclusive boutique gated community with only 42 home sites. Construction is currently underway, and some of the first residents are starting to move in. Residents in Gran Place feel like they have their own sanctuary and can enjoy the peaceful nature all around them while being only minutes away from downtown Wellen Park and the beaches. This community does not feature a community pool or clubhouse, since your home is your true oasis. Gran Place offers large, single-family and estate-style new construction homes ranging from 2,200 square feet to over 3,100 square feet. There are 6 floor plans to choose from, each have 3-car garages and a ton of options for customization. In fact, this is the only community in Wellen Park that offers semi-custom homes. Some home sites here also have the option to add a guest house or a casita in the backyard as well. And if you haven't already, be sure to check out our Gran Place model tours on our YouTube channel. These model tours make it feel like you're walking through the home yourself and give you an in-depth look at the different floor plans and the quality inside each model. Gran Place is actively selling and building new homes, but the process, timing, and options can vary. Currently, you can choose a lot and build your home from scratch, or you can purchase one of their quick move-in homes that are already finished or nearly finished. Or if you really fall in love, you can even buy one of their model homes. They are gorgeous. So if you're interested in a Sam Rodgers home at Gran Place, or you just want more information about the community and the Wellen Park area, definitely reach out to Josh Wilson. As a licensed real estate agent, Josh knows all the staff at these communities, and he's out there often. so he can leverage his knowledge and relationships to help you snag your dream home. But it's important that you loop him in at the very beginning of the process so he can officially represent you and help look out for your best interests throughout the entire process. For more information, click on the link below in the description to visit our Gran Place community page on our website. And don't forget to check out all of our Gran Place model tours. You can find them on our YouTube channel or embedded on our website. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below or give us a call, shoot us an email or a text. We are happy to chat. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.